Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF to A2 size PDF using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select a Resize option and select Standard option and Standard dialog box. Select this down arrow and scroll up. Here you will find this A2 size PDF. Select this one. Now you can change unit inch, also you can change page orientation if you like, and select here all page or specific page range as you want, and finally select OK and see this. Our A2 size PDF now created. Select file option and check this document properties and description option, this page size, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.